I tell man, Trevy James, with the one Turnip Vegan.
Yeah. Come on. Right there, the man right here. We got, what we got, man? We got 6 different.
Yep, again, second annual Vegan in San Diego Taco Off. 6 different vendors. Only 2 recurring. I think La Taqueria Veggie and El Veganito were here last year. And then we got all new vendors, so
nice.
It's cool just to have different people, different things, even folks I've never even tried before, so that's exciting.
And that's rare, man.
Yeah,
that's rare. This is an OG vegan game right here.
I'm a night cowboy, even got soldier, coming with the justice from Babylon over. I'm a night cowboy, vegan got soldier, coming with the justice from Babylon over. We're only gonna get one planet and one body. We gotta keep them both clean and look out for all beings. All beings, all beings, all beings, all beings.
I look like him. I guess I'll take a little bit of that.
I'm sure
It's like really,
100%.
Yeah.
I love this guy. He's like my favorite actor.
Jessica. Let's see, I look like my man right here.
Oh yeah. Okay. I'll give her that. I might not know that I watched.
That's hilarious. Okay. I can take that a little bit, the glasses, yeah.
It'll be the last 6 episodes because I haven't.
Dash, I was saying they got a green mole burrito.
That's what Dash is saying?
Yeah.
I want that. I want that.
I know, right?
Good all weekend. Vanessa, what you got? Yeah? Where'd you get it from?
Oh, it's all. I didn't even see that.
Gotta keep them both clean and look out for all beings. It's not a trend, you know that I'm adamant. Yeah, that corporate establishment, you know I stay mad at it, cause they're bored.
Can I get agua, por favor? Just in Mexico. I blended that with a little bit of... And then you get the guisado. Finish you off over here. You have more of that.
I try to keep this.
You have any more radishes? Batman, Robin. You got chives, hoja santa, hierba santa, which is a very traditional herb. Leaf that's used in Mexico. I blended that with a little bit of cilantro to get the green. Grass to accompany the fungus, to accompany the seed, to accompany the rice. And that's what I decided to go with today. Really, really Mexican style. Separate dish, separate plates on these.
Yes, please.
And then you get a little bit of Mexican rice. Yes. And then you get the guisado, which is the gnocchi. Ma'am. And Peruvian white beans. And he's gonna finish you off over here. You have more of that. You have any more radish? That's it.
No, ya, fue todo.
So that's the first one, and just do a little sprinkle, and then
Después de estos 3, uno de competencia.
Yes, I am.
¿Altas?
You're Batman, Robin.
Yeah. Nice.
Why vegan? You know what? I've been cooking for about 8-9 years, and interestingly enough, it was like a, I don't know how to explain it, but when I worked for a hotel restaurant, we get vegan people coming in, the cooks just hated it, and I thought it was kind of messed up. That was in a way it's this form of discrimination. Like, I'm vegan and I have food allergies, and these cooks were like, point to create tasty food. I grew up poor, but culturally rich. We didn't have a lot of meat in our culture. So the veggies and these braises was something that grandma, great-grandma, and the tias used for to add bulk and to add flavor to. Like when we didn't have meat, like just undesired cuts we took and braised the shit out of them and then added these flavors.
Good story, man. I can tell you passionate about it too, bro.
What's that?
I can tell you passionate about what you're doing,
I live it, you know? It's just like I don't fake the funk. This is how I live, this is how I was raised. Chicano, Cactus is salt cured, so it's got that green, still that vibrant green. It's got that crunch, and you don't lose a lot of the nutrition value that you do when you boil it out. Nice.
Eating all weekend, bro. We've been eating good.
Feel good now.
Eating real good all weekend. Vanessa, what you got? What is it? Is it bomb? Yeah? Where'd you get it from?
Oh, it's a high up.
I got it from the orange.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
How's everybody feeling out there right now? How's the food tasting? How's the tacos? Big up all y'all out there. My name is Trevy James, roots reggae, conscious rap music right here in San Diego.
That ain't no joke, better rock away, cause we signal enough smoke,
Trevy James with the mic check, live and direct. With respect to the rest of the music industry, take note, I and I on deck, you have met Captain and Junior on the rhythm for the first time, with the worst kind of toughness that he's flowing into this bloodline. Big up one time to my people round the... We just put out this joint tune. It's a vegan anthem. Vegan anthem's all I can say. Big up Turnip.
Y'all, everybody feeling tonight?
Hey!
A little bit in here. Okay. This is San Diego anthem. We trying to take this beyond San Diego, though. Come on. Yeah. Yo, I don't be eating like that. I don't be eating that Jax. I don't be eating Big Macs. Stuff to make you all fat. Clog you up and like giving your chest a heart attack. I don't know what they putting in that, so I ain't eating that crap. Yo, I ran to my boy at Whole Foods, homeboy from the old school. Dude was like, I'm like, hell yeah, like the 3D now. One hand has some almond milk, the other hand has Beyond Meat. Why you eating that bull, bro? I don't know, it's beyond me, but I'm still cool like the Fonzie. Fresh out like the laundry. Dude was like, where you working at? Started calling me Tommy. Anyway, you know you find me. Places they don't got ground beef. Where vegans get their protein, man, get them dudes from around me. Comes at the car like a Mac box. I don't be eating that Jack in the Box. No Carl Jr., no Haagen-Dazs, my favorite box in the parking lot. From the green, you know I do it all day. I keep it clean. All fella is another victim. Already your nervous system like, I don't be eating like that. I don't be eating that Jack. I don't be eating Big Macs. Stuff to make you all fat. Clog you up and like, give your chest a heart attack. I don't know what you're putting in that, so I ain't eating that.
I don't be eating that Taco Bell and that type of stuff make my stomach swell. Clog up my arteries, block blood cells till they can't get pumped to my brain that well. Get a pain in my chest till I start to yell. Cardiac arrest from that food they sell. These corporations can go to hell, just steady killing their clientele. What a great business model. We're paying them to straight kill us, cause every day we go fill up on that meat with hormones that's full of pus. Sitting at the meeting where they discuss new strategies so that costs are cut. I cruise in each city full of disgust, cause this nasty food is so prevalent. Man, I don't trust that Wendy's, that Arby's, White Castle, and Hardee's, and Sonic and Schlotsky, Subway and Starbucks coffee, Quiznos and Popeyes and Johnny Rockets, KFC, Dunkin' Donuts and Krispy Kreme, Chick-fil-A and that Mickey D's. That's what I used to go eat right when I turned 16. Me and my brethren would go hit up the mall for some Dairy Queen dinner at Cheesecake Factory till I get a pain in my spleen, and that stuff is not normal. My body's rejecting this food cause I don't be eating like that. I don't be eating that crap. I'm not trying to get fat. Diabetes so whack. Fog you up is like, damn, I can't get it up like I could back in the day. So I hop on the track to say I'm not eating like that. Yes, y'all, big up yourselves. Thanks for rocking with me. Come say hi. I got stickers, vegan related stickers for y'all. Free, come up, grab one from me. Pick it up.